Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to prove 1 is equal to 2 or subtracting 3 over 2 from both sides. We can write 1 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 over 2. Now taking a square to both sides, we will have 1 minus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus 3 over 2 whole square. Now applying formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. We can write 1 square minus 2 times 1 times 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to, applying formula a minus b whole square, again we can write a square minus 2 times a is 2 times b is 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 whole square, or 1 square is 1 minus this 2 and 2 will cancel out, so it will remain 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 over 2 whole square is 3 square is equal to 9 over 2 square is 4 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 minus this 2 and 2 will cancel out, so it will remain 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3 over 2 whole square, so 3 square is equal to 9 over 2 square is 4. Now this 9 over 4 and 9 over 4 from both side will cancel out, so it will remain 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 6. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2 is equal to 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Hence negative 2 and negative 2 are same, so 1 is equal to 2, it will be equal. So we can write 1 is equal to 2. Did you find the mistake? Write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.